Well, I thank everybody who's been asking about the Wuji Mountain House. We've just gone through winter here, so all the work now is kind of interior. Can't do much outside, but now that we got the front door in, that beautiful door I designed from Poland, now we're working on wiring, electric wiring all through here. The massive effort of this 5,000 square foot facility has lots of wires, thousands of feet of wires. And this is what we're in the middle of now. So we've got an amazing team from Mexico who is helping with this wiring, and they're brilliant. We've got a great plan, but it takes time. It's up in the ceilings, it's everywhere. We don't take it for granted. The world we live in, we typically take for granted. We forget what's behind the walls of most everything in life. So I'm doing my best to stay on it. The weather's getting a little better and I'll start working outside again. Some railings that have to be put up, but this is the big step now. So piece by piece, the Wuji Mountain House comes into reality, asking me a deep patience. And we all need patience in the world right now. So stay in your heart resonance, and take every day, every minute at a time, each project one at a time. And that will help resolve overwhelm and keep us focused in that singularity of our presence. I wish that for you. Peace.